We'll guide you through how to delete call history on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
For whatever reason, you want to delete call history. Perhaps you went and called somebody and you don't want to be reminded that you called them, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter. But we're going to guide you through this step by step. We'll guide you through just deleting them one at a time, but also how you can do multiple at a time to go and speed up the process if there's a lot you need to go and do. So make sure it's this full guide and let's get started. What we need to do is we need to go and open the phone app. So you can come to the bottom and you want to go and find the phone app. As you can see, there it is. What you want to do is you want to go and open it up like so. Now, depending upon how your phone app is set and viewing, at the bottom, either you need to go and press calls or it will go and say recent. It does go and depend. Then you're going to go and see your recents here and you can start scrolling down and seeing more. If you just want to go and delete one of them, what you can do is go and swipe on it from the right and swipe left. And that'll then go and reveal the trash can icon, which you can tap. Now, if you want to go and do multiple and make it a faster process, you can go and press edit in the top left and you can press select. You can then start selecting them quickly like so. If you want to do all of them, you can actually press clear all in the top right. Otherwise, just select the ones you want to do and you can then press delete at the bottom.